Just be careful.
Shh.
Why?
I don't like it, that's why.
It's fine.
Croeso. Oh, look at that. Looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Have we got to do fence hopping?
Do you know, I was just about to say, do you know, hop the fence?
We'll see if
It
there's
looks
an
like we could get
entrance.
up there, maybe.
We'll see if there's an entrance up here first.
Doesn't look like there's anyone here, so we'll be fine. This is good, it's just us.
Well, it looks like a really big walk.
Danger, keep out.
What have you got there?
This is danger, keep out.
I can't pronounce it. Cluedog Trail, I think it says, and I can't even see the others because the sun's shining in my eyes.
Good job.
So here's some information. It's just got the basic layout of where the mine workings were.
Give it a try.
Let's go. Oh, we don't have to hop the fence. So this is the visitor centre. So I've got the drone with me in the car and we're having a debate whether it's too windy. Which way do you want to go, Jace? It's exciting, isn't it? Look at that. All bits of the old mine.
We should have putted our hiking shoes on.
I know, I was thinking of that. Oh God.
We
Looks
didn't
like
think-
we've got to fence
We didn't think,
climb.
we didn't think there would be this type of stuff though, really.
That's me just climbing over. I'm too old for climbing now. I know. You got the old rail tracks that they used to pull the stuff, the heavy stuff. Do you know what? I'm not the best with these mining things. So yeah, I'll just show you what we see basically. But if you want any other information, I suggest that you get it elsewhere. It's really cool, isn't it? Look at that. Whoa.
Since there's trees here and the building there, maybe we could get the drone up, I guess.
It's cool, isn't it? It's like a big, huge wooden lever type of thing that obviously holds the weight. Look at that up there. Whoa, that's really cool. It's too dirty.
It might get
That'll do,
something,
Dave.
maybe.
That'll do. Tried to show you what was in the window at the top, which is that one. That one. But I don't think you'll be able to see anything. Whoa, look at that.
Hang on a minute. I gotta get a recording down there. Go on, there might be something down there.
Right, okay, I'll hand it to you then. Okay. Is it good?
Ooh, it's pretty deep.
Is it full of water?
No, it's just junk.
What,
Look-
like wood?
Looks damp. It's probably from the rain. Nah, it's just a complete mess down there. Just wood. Collapsed.
Looks like this is some kind of pulley system to carry the weight. Carries the weight of that. And obviously it's like a cog maybe that comes up. Whoa. It's really good that, isn't it? Makes you wonder what's inside. Be nice to go in there.
Oh, we can see a little bit through the window.
Look at
I
that.
think it did catch a little bit. Wow.
So cool that is, isn't it?
Cool.
I know.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a nice exploration.
This is some kind of... I'm just going to guess. It's probably some kind of furnace chimney. Oh, it's going to go down. Wow. It's really nice, that is. It'd be good to see inside it.
Could open it.
Right, so we need to jump this fence again. I'm not sure what the purpose of this is, but obviously it must be relevant to the works. Let's get walking.
A little stream.
Well, it's like some kind of old-fashioned soakaway.
A man-made one.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like, but you can see where there's some brick. It's like a brick wall all along there.
It'll lead to that little pond area.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know.
So we just hopped the fence again to have a look what this is. I wish I knew. It looks very interesting though, so if anybody knows, maybe they can tell me in the comments.
It's definitely got a smell over here.
Has it?
Yeah.
It'll be all the stagnant water. Right, let's climb the wall. Ugh. Oh, look, there's a door down there.
It's boarded.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I'm not climbing down there.
Do you want me to?
No.
Why?
Look at it, it's too steep.
I can get back up there.
No.
It's not that deep.
Oh, don't fall the opposite way.
Oh.
Huh. Putting my Tomb Raider skills into practice here. Isn't it, Jace?
Yeah, true.
Right, let's go and have a look. Look, there it is. It's a bit of a track. Not really the right shoes for it. See, look, it's a mine, isn't it? That is definitely a mine.
Thought it was.
Look at that.
Let's get a torch.
Have you got a torch? That's a mine.
That's not bright enough. Yeah, that goes really deep, that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Shame we can't get in.
Right, let's get back up. So, I'm guessing some kind of pulley came down here. That makes sense, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, it does. And that must have been like a lever of some sort up there. Oh, that's really cool, that, isn't it? We just climbed back through the fence. It is all obviously fenced off for safety to stop any children from
Tramps and stuff.
strike that out of the video. That's in the outtakes. Not. But anyway, it's to stop children and vulnerable adults from falling in there. Jason, you make me laugh. At last, I was just about to climb it as well. See, we don't have to have great knowledge. We're not looking up anything on the internet, so this is the idiot-proof version of what we see. What's that up there? Let's climb again.
Yeah, it's everything.
Huh? Ooh,
It must have been like an
I
old
don't
well.
know.
Could have been a well.
Maybe. You might be right, Jason. Could be an old well.
Yeah.
Oh, this place, do you know what? We're bringing our tents
Look
up
how
here.
nostalgic that
I
looks.
can see a wild camp up
Yeah.
here, can you?
Look how beautiful this area looks.
Yeah, let's have a look over there. I can't resist it. I don't think it's anything, but
Look at that little tree thing.
isn't this great for a wild camp?
It is.
Jason, we found a spot,
I know, yeah.
haven't we?
We found a nice spot.
Yeah, really private and out the way.
True.
We might get haunted by the ring at night though, you know, the
True.
woman that crawls out of the well. Whoa, look at those. Beautiful. Lots of wild plants.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star.
So,
Open the gates,
Gentle
guys.
love, the kind that
like,
lifts you
The
up.
haunted hut. So we've got the ring up there in the well.
it's locked in.
It's locked.
Got time.
Oh, it's got a bolt on it. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't much good, was it? There you go. Leave it open because we'll only come back. Going through the long grass. Oh, let's have a look at this.
Still be very gold.
You go first. Oh, like it's
Oh, so it's like an electric place.
yeah, it was obviously
Electric shock.
all the electric monitors there.
That's modern stuff.
That looks like it's a letter rack.
It's modern stuff.
Fairly modern. It's quite old-fashioned. It's got all the dials on it, and that looks like some kind of electricity transformer.
Oh, look at that. Remember? It's all been like sealed
And we've got them all sealed off there. Look at that. That looks really old.
You know what?
Yeah.
Could be creepy about this.
I think that's like a pressure thing. Stop, fail, low, run. Some signage there in case of electric shock, what to do. But yeah, it does look fairly old-fashioned. I don't know why it's open. Maybe we should close the door, Jace, do you think? Huh? Maybe this is like pipes that they can
That will go a bit deep, that, I bet.
I don't know if,
Do you understand that?
oh, it's iron, obviously iron. There'll be a big hole underneath that, I'm guessing.
I bet they will.
Right,
The diving hole.
back through the gate.
Through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. And come the storms weather,
Right, let's get the legs in.
will I
Oh,
still be right where you
oh. Right, we're in.
I guess you could
Jason's already got down there.
but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone.
Oh right, Jason's just told me that there's horses in this field down here. Right, let's hang on to this tree and try and get down here. I just want to look at it.
Someone's property, so be quiet. No, don't think you can.
No? Oh, be careful. You can't get in. Yeah, you take this then and
It's a big jump.
save me climbing the wall.
It's a big jump this, you can't do that.
Right. Well, I can, but...
You can't, it's very big. Look at that.
How is it?
I had a view from that over there,
Is it a mine in
and it's
there?
very deep. I think it could be a mine, you know, because it went very deep.
How deep? Is it like an underground?
There's nothing really to
If
see.
I can put this up, so... right, okay.
No, it's
So it does go down.
maybe like
I'm going to turn you sideways. Okay. I don't know what it is. It's interesting though. It's obviously the same part of the mining thing. Maybe these were chimneys, Jace. Do you think they were chimneys and they've demolished them?
it could be actually, yeah.
Wow. Look at those gorgeous horses. And we've just come from that mine looking thing. And Jason's just walking down there. Right, back on the path. Jason's through. Note to self. Always put better shoes on when you come on and explore. It's made like a pond. Do you want to go for a swim in there, Jace?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure, why not?
Go on, go for a swim. Go
No.
for a swim in there, Jason.
I'm not going in there.
Huh? It looks absolutely rotten at the bottom.
God knows what diseases are in.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Easy come and easy go.
Oh, look at this beautiful horse. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Hello.
Gentle love, kind is yours. No matter how far apart.
Beautiful.
You could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone.
It does look like it could have been some railway station. It might have been, you know, because it's the track. If you imagine this is the track.
Definitely would have been used. Look at that part of the building, that looks all there. I imagine it was used. Is it this way?
Yes, so it's over this bridge. I think these are like furnaces. You know, like a kiln for the lime.
Yeah.
You know, so that would have been like obviously really, really hot.
Yeah, yeah.
You could just see like an iron plate up there with like a, looks like a chimney. Oh, it's really overgrown. Yeah. It's really overgrown, isn't it?
You know where
What
the
do you
ones
mean?
where they just crawl? The people who crawl in caves. It's them ones.
Oh,
Look.
look at the state of that.
Oh my god, it's those type of
Well,
caves.
go on, you can crawl in it then. I can't see anything.
Would you
Right,
go in there?
No.
pointless going in there because there's nothing valuable.
Right, back on the road. Yeah, so my GoPro battery died. And I've got to do the rest on my phone. So we just spotted this here. Be careful, Jace. Oh, look at that.
Oh shit.
Be careful.
It's a whole underground area, we can explore
Is it?
Oh my god, it's scary.
So we just found this cool cave. Can you put your torch on so that...
Have you got your torch on?
No, because I won't be able to see its iPhone. iPhone sucks in the dark. And my GoPro's died.
It's deep down
Does
there.
it?
Yeah.
Can you put your torch? We should have brought the torch, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we should have.
Come on, hurry up. I
Wait.
don't like it in here. Right, let's try and have a look.
Is my torch on? Yeah.
Wait for me. I
My
can't
phone-
see a
Wait,
thing.
my phone's blurry. There we go.
Right,
It goes
okay.
deep down here, Mum, so be careful.
Shh.
Why?
I don't like it, that's why.
It's fine.
Oh, I can't see.
Wow.
Wait.
This is amazing.
I can't see a thing. The torch dies and we're goosed.
Imagine there was a
Look at
serial.
all this dirt though.
Imagine if there's a serial
I-
killer down there.
Piss off, Jace. Right, I'm not going any further.
No.
That's it.
No, wait, stop.
What?
Stop freaking out. Bloody hell,
I can't see a
go.
thing. Did you hear that?
No, there's nothing there.
Maybe it was a bat.
Could be haunted. Oh, it's cold in there though.
It is cold. It's very cold down here.
Well, yeah, something there, did it?
Right, we're going back out. Oh. Right, let's go back. Oh, be careful. We pass a sign
Oh no, there's nothing above me.
that we didn't see. Danger,
There's nothing
keep
above.
out.
Nothing
We
above
just
me.
come from those caves and we've reached this area. And it's like some sitting area with a bench over there. Wow, it's amazing. I didn't even know this was here. I mean, I did, but I didn't know it was this vast. You can see on the rock face, it looks like there's some kind of structure up there as well. So all this was Quarry. It's just amazing.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star. A gentle love
We've just come up a long, steep hill and it's very bushy and muddy. And we've come to this sign. So we're obviously coming to the top of the quarry. It looks like rain. Just having a bit of banter there. As I said to Jason, it's not my fault how many miles we've come, because I watched this guy come up here and literally he showed the cool bits and he didn't say how long it was in between. So don't blame me. Right. So it's some information about the wildlife as well. We've just climbed the gate. There's heavy warnings not to, but I do feel like we've come an awful long way and I feel relatively responsible. Right, okay. Oh look, that goes down a long way. So the shafts, there's holes in the rock face. Wow. So that's the whole quarry. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. I'm a bit nervous about going to the edge. Yeah, look at that. The ground feels solid. Wow, look at that, Jason. That's amazing.
I'll get back down.
Yeah, that is really amazing.
I hear sheep screaming.
Let's go that way, Jace. Let's go and have a look over there. Wow. That is amazing.
Reminds me of Narnia now.
Would you like this job, Jason?
If it pays well. Don't think it does.
Do you know what? So many people died doing this job, though.
I know.
Can you?
It's like, no, I mean like you can't. As a path.
Oh, right. I'll take a photograph. Come back from the actual quarry and we're heading back down.
Car. 6
We-
miles.
We didn't realise that it was so many miles, to be fair, and we've basically come unequipped, but we've had a really nice day, haven't we, Jace?
Yeah.
And Jason wants to drag me back in the cave on the way home. I'm reluctant, but Jason wants to go there. So we're coming to muddy parts. Oh, it doesn't look very steep, but it is quite steep. Oh, yep, look at that. Come on, Jace. Oh, did you go in it? Oh no, go the other side. Go the other side, go on. Don't fall in it. Here he comes.
Go back in.
No, Jace, you don't want to go back in.
Go on.
Don't make me go back in.
Go on.
Jason, I don't like it.
We're going back in. Looks like we can go in there.
I don't like it. Oh.
Can we go in this one? Don't think we can. No, we can't. That's fine. No one goes in here, don't they?
What?
No one goes in here, don't they?
Jason, I don't like it in here. How much battery have you got on your torch? Because
69%.
right, okay.
Right, we're doing the full loop around,
Right,
yeah?
if you leave me, I'll go back out. I mean it.
Right, we're all hands
Right.
then, yeah?
Okay. I'm just worried about tripping over as well.
Do you want me to put some music on to relax you now?
No.
Okay.
Right, okay.
Oh, I feel like my
So we're
vision's
inside,
I feel like my
Back
vision's
in.
been blurred, you know?
back inside this horrible thing.
My
And I'm
vision's
pretty
been
sure
blurred.
people used to work in here. And it's got all
Hang on a
these
minute.
tunnels. Put your torch in there, Jace.
Hang on a minute.
It's got all these.
Oh, it's on full burn. Why is my vision feel like
I can't see a thing.
no.
Right, okay. So it's full of these.
Yeah,
Look, it goes really deep down, doesn't it?
it does.
I don't know. I wish I knew more about it.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Right, we're doing the full loop around, yeah?
I can't see a thing. I'm just warning you.
If you do pay attention to the ceiling,
And-
you can tell that it's not going down. We're not
Oh,
going... Oh, shit.
see what I mean? I'm
Sorry.
blind
Sorry,
as a bat in the dark. I
that-
don't like it.
That was my fault.
Right, can we go slow because I don't want to trip over.
It
Look,
look-
there's a big hole in the floor
Yeah.
there.
It looks like we're going deep, but it's not. If you pay attention to the ceiling, you can tell, you know.
I really don't like it in here.
Bloody hell. I wonder how it got filled up.
Yeah, but it goes narrow. That's the.
Don't
I don't
worry.
like it because
It's
it goes narrow.
It's fine, don't worry.
Oh, I'm touching. And thank God I've got my coat on. Jason
dear.
can't see a goddamn thing.
Keep going. Come on, it's fine. Look, you can see daylight over there. I can see light over there. Oh,
I can't believe you're making me do this
Never mind,
again.
I can't.
Huh?
It's a big loop around, don't worry.
Just put it around so we can see somewhat.
Good, innit?
Right, can put it around the wall so we can see what's going on.
Good, innit?
Right, okay. No, it's not. I don't like it.
It is.
Told you don't like it.
We're coming to the end of it.
Look,
there
there's a
you
big
go.
hole. There's a hole.
See, there you go.
What?
It's the end.
Is it the end? No, it's not.
Yeah, we are.
It's not the end.
Yeah, well, we're coming.
I can't see, Jason.
It's fine.
Jason, I can't see.
It's fine. Don't worry. Look, we're fine.
I can't see a thing.
See, look, it's the end there. Watch your step. Watch your step.
What do you mean
See?
it's the end?
Look.
I don't like it. Jason can't see a thing.
Look, there's the tyre thing. See?
Okay, so it goes round in a circle.
So you're more relaxed now, are you?
Okay, so now I know we're going to get out soon. That's good.
You feel relaxed?
So, what's that?
Look
at that.
Oh, look at Pepsi Max.
I know. Look, put the torch on that. Oh, look at that.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's like a tunnel.
That'll be leading to a mine shaft, that.
It's a tunnel that looks like it's been caved in. And there's all these bricks here.
It'll lead to a mine shaft.
And look at the sides. Hang on. That's where somebody's had a party.
How the hell can someone have so many crisp packets?
Imagine having a party down here. Look, there's a big
Wow,
hole.
that wall.
Let me put the torch in there. Let me have a look.
Oh, it stinks in there.
I don't know what's down there. Right, have a look the side there. So there's more of these on that side.
Yeah.
Well, let's have a look in there. Look at this structure, the stonework. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it stings. All these things.
That goes
stink.
really deep in
It
there.
does, yeah.
Wow. How come it goes so deep? Where did
Imagine
it
all
go
these-
to?
Imagine the people all died in there. Like,
Thank you.
mad.
Can you not?
It'll be creepy. And
Jason!
What? You don't need my hand then.
I do.
You still want my hand?
I can't see. Look, there's another one there.
You
Look.
sure it's not because you're scared? There you go. At least we've done the full loop round now.
Okay, right, point it.
Checking over there.
These holes go really
They
deep
do.
under.
They stink though, don't they? Well, if you look behind you.
Oh, go away.
No, look behind you. Go on. Creepy.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Isn't it? Cool.
Let me get a photo.
Cool it is.
I'll have to pause the video. Jason, get back here now. He's left me. Let's get out.
At least they got rid of that.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
I'm glad they got rid of that.
I can't believe you dragged me back in there.
Oh, it was fun, that. That was fun.
We're on our way back. And, well, my memory's bad. And Jason can't remember going this way. We did do a steep part though, didn't we? We've come to a bridge. And we both don't remember going this way. We haven't seen this before, have we?
No.
Huh?
We never saw water.
We haven't seen this before. I reckon we just keep going. We're on the track.
There we are now.
I know, that's good. Wow. We've done some miles today, haven't we?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you...
See you again soon.